Ciao ragazzi! In this video, you will revisit the passato prossimo and learn about verbs that take essere in the past tense. You will remember from the last two videos that the passato prossimo is a compound tense. The first word is the auxiliary verb, also known as the helping verb, and the second word is the past form of the main verb, also known as the past participle. Up until this point, you have only seen examples of verbs that take avere as the helping verb. However, some verbs take essere, as in this example. Sono andato or sono andata. Let's look more closely at verbs that require essere as the auxiliary verb. So how do you know which verbs take essere in the passato prossimo? The vast majority of verbs take avere. However, the following types of verbs take essere. Firstly, verbs describing motion. For example, andare, to go, venire, to come, and tornare, to return. The second group of verbs describes a change of state. For example, crescere, to grow, nascere, to be born, and diventare, to become. And thirdly, all reflexive verbs will also take essere in the past tense. For example, svegliarsi, to wake up, divertirsi, to have fun, and vestirsi, to dress. There are several useful graphics that can help you to remember which verbs take essere in the past, such as this one here, la casa di essere. Each verb is illustrated. So as always, we start with the auxiliary or helping verb. In this case, essere in the present tense form. Io sono, tu sei, lui lei è, noi siamo, voi siete, loro sono. Then we follow with the past participle of the main verb. For example, arrivato, diventato, partito, caduto, salito, nato, uscito. However, there is one additional step that you need to take when using the passato prossimo with essere verbs. The final letter of the past participle must agree in gender and number with whoever is completing the action. So, the present tense of essere is used as normal, and then we have past participles that can have different endings. So, for example, sono arrivato, I arrived, if I'm a male, or sono arrivata, if I'm a female. Tu sei salito, if we are talking about a male, and sei salita, if it's a female. È nato, masculine, è nata, feminine. And then we have the plural forms. Siamo usciti, if we are talking about a group of men, or siamo uscite, if it's a group of women. Voi siete diventati, masculine, plural, o siete diventate, feminine plural. Loro sono partiti, masculine plural, o sono partite, feminine plural. So to summarize, the passato prossimo is a two-word tense, auxiliary verb plus past participle. For verbs of motion and change of state, we use essere as the auxiliary verb, then add the past participle. There is an additional step for essere verbs. The final letter of the past participle will be o, a, I, or e, depending on who completed the action. Continue to practice using the passato prossimo with essere verbs and revisit the previous videos if necessary. Arrivederci e buon lavoro!